What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the Bobber. One mean lady. What is going on, everybody? I wanted to talk to you guys about some YouTube stuff. And so, I mean, it kind of relates to everybody, but it was just something on my mind. It was on my mind a long time ago. But what I was thinking, and the way I wanted to say this, is the like button. A lot of people talk about the like button, the dislike button, and some people say the dislike button is so that way you don't want to see something on your feed anymore. You dislike it, like, okay, I don't want to see stuff like this later on. Well, for the person who created that video, it doesn't always feel like that. Now, as a content creator myself, I no longer let that get to me as much. Of course, everyone's just like, what did I do? You know, but you got to let it go. You're not everybody's cup of tea, but I'll tell you right now, I didn't ask you to take a sip, okay? This is the way I like my beverage. If you don't, then I'm sorry. Maybe your parties suck. But what I really kind of noticed is I think more content creators like each other's stuff than anyone else does. Some people may just watch your video. A video could have 30,000 views and 500 likes. I have a video that has that, and it has 19 dislikes. I don't know what my opinion pissed people off on a 3,000 mile review of my bike, but hey, they didn't like it. They didn't like seeing that big guy on the screen, I guess. I don't know. But what it really breaks down to is other content creators liking other content creators' stuff. So not all your subscribers are going to like your stuff. And that's okay. I mean, a lot of people just watch the video, get out, or they have it on autoplay or whatever, and it makes sense to me. But the reason I think it's funny, only content creators are not only, but the main people liking other people's stuff, is it's kind of like tips. And I don't mean like, knowledge, in the formation of like giving someone a tip, but like giving a tip with waitress, barber, tattoo artist, whatever, bellhop, things of this nature. You're more prone to tip someone if you have worked or currently work at a job where you receive tips. A lot of people who have never received tips don't fully grasp the idea of tips. In a lot of business, when a person gets tips, the state taxes their fucking tips. And I'm not trying to be crazy about this or rude or anything, but it's ridiculous, and it really pisses me off that their states, the states do that kind of stuff, and it's ridiculous. But I'm getting off track. But you notice more, if someone who has tipped or gets tips will more prone to be like, hey, I know how much tips work, how they help you, you did a great job, so I really want to help you out because I get that. Same thing with me. I watch somebody else's video. I try to like everybody's video if I enjoy the content. If I don't enjoy the content, usually I know right away and I'm out of there, But if I'm subscribed to somebody, and this is even before I started this channel, I'm like, okay, I'll know a few seconds in that if it's something that I'm enjoying, then I want to give it the like button. I don't have to wait till the end to give it the like button. I like to give it the like button. Hopefully it helps them. Hopefully it just lets them know, good job, guys. It's a thumbs up for a reason. And I don't know. And so if you guys are not somebody who normally likes videos, it's a good idea, I think, to do that. To help out your content creator. If you like their stuff, the likes, we really do enjoy that. People may say oh, I don't even notice. Some people turn it off for some reason. I mean, there's channels that bitch about everything. I know when I first started and I had a few dislikes on a video, I mean, what I wasn't realizing is there was, at the time, 100 likes and 5 dislikes, and I wasn't like, oh man, 100 likes, I was just like, who the fuck are these 5 people? I didn't go to your house and piss in your Cheerios, man, just ruin your day. You watched the video. If you didn't like it, I'm sorry. And that's the thing, you can't have that happen. But with the like button, as content creators, we should focus more on like, hey man, that's awesome, thank you so much for liking my video, and which most of the time we do. But as content creators, we should be, liking the fact that we have likes more than we do, which we all, definitely do. But we kind of let that negative hits get you in the back of the mind, and it just like sits there and pokes at us, and that's that's shitty. We shouldn't let that happen. We need to let it go. Granted, there's people out there sitting there disliking videos just to be a total tool about it. But I guess that's what they get their enjoyment out of, I just create stuff hoping people do like my stuff. Oh man, we need to get home. These people are being shit. Where's the dislike button for drivers? Where is it? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Have you ever kind of had that thought about this? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I just kind of feel like that's the name of the game. You're more prone to do something if you enjoy having it to you. Treat others the way you want to be treated. It goes on a many different scale here for different subjects, And yeah, so like always, stay safe, you guys. Stay classy. I'll be here all week, and tip your waitress. Tip your YouTuber.